Hey guys, welcome to another video of the 240. Oh my gosh, this bee's trying to kill me. You see this thing? Yo, you saw that? Over here trying to interrupt my intro and shit. Anyways, let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome to another day of working on the 240. So today is another exciting day. It's always an exciting day, but today the welder is coming through and he's gonna help weld out some parts of the car wherever we have rust and stuff like that, and try to make it completely mint. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys his car really quick because it's pretty sick. It's a nice Subi, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and start working on the car. Alright guys, well we're gonna go ahead and start working with cutting out whatever's bad in the car and then start putting in the new pieces of metal. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to the welder. His name is Adrian. Say what's up to the people.
What's up?
And I'm gonna go ahead and put his Instagram somewhere around here so you guys can go ahead and follow him and DM him for any concerns on any rust or any welds that you guys want to do for cars, pretty much, right?
Yeah.
And what else do you weld?
Aluminum, stainless, titanium.
Perfect. So yeah, you guys hit him up and just talk to him and see what he can do for you guys. Alright, time to unpack everything. Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful day, and today we're going to be dealing with the surface rust that's in the car. So today we're going to be tackling stuff like this. You see all that orangey stuff, and then over here nothing crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to turn this area. As you can see, I painted it down. You still see some orange stuff and stuff like that, but like I could go ahead, wipe that down, and you'll see it all disappear. But what I did is I sanded it down and I cleaned it up to prep it up to go ahead and just rattle can it, to just protecting the bare metal from building up rust again. So this is normally things you won't see in your car because nobody takes the time to really take out their carpet because it's a lot of work, as you guys saw in the previous videos. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it and show you guys how to prep it, sand it down, and then paint it up. Alright guys, so make sure you get a grinder so we could go ahead and grind away all the surface rust. And don't forget safety glasses. So I just finished grinding down all the rust, and remember, all the surface rust that you saw here, now is just shiny silver metal. That's what you want, raw metal. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some brake cleaner, clean all around this surface, so then I could, so that's basically a way to prep it, make sure there's no oil, no grease on there, so then the paint can stick well on it. You guys might be asking what paint am I using. I'm using this crayon all-in-one. I am not sponsored by them, but you guys are more than welcome to use the same spray as me if you like what you see. I would recommend getting a cut out a piece of cardboard so it can help you from overspraying into other areas where you don't really want to paint. So now that I got it painted up, it acts like an extra layer of protecting the metal and stopping or preventing any rust from building up again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this side, finish this up, and then I'll probably tackle the trunk area. I might show you guys that, might not. It doesn't have to be perfect because remember, the carpet is gonna go right on top of this, so you're not really going to ever see it. But as long as all you really want is to protect the metal where you grinded, so then raw metal is not exposed to air and then it doesn't have that chemical reaction and blah blah blah, so then it doesn't have rust again.